extreme severe weather end of the world warning, record-breaking 50-mile lightning strike lasting 17 seconds puts experts on alert. This is not normal, obviously. Scientists issued warnings as they observed the longest lightning strike ever to be recorded. In June 2020, scientists observed a single lightning flash that was 17.1 seconds, becoming the longest lasting lightning flash ever recorded, according to World Meteorological Organization WMO. The unusually long strike took place over Uruguay and northern Argentina. The incident was only one of two recorded record-breaking lightning strikes confirmed by WMO on Monday. There was another record-breaking lightning flash that covered around 477 miles in southern U.S. on April 29, 2020. So they're basically around the same time period. That distance is equal to the distance between London and Germany, the city of Hamburg, and stretched over 3 U.S. states. One lightning strike, can you imagine? The April 2020 flash was 60 kilometers longer than the previous record. In the meantime, the previous longest duration flash was 16.7 seconds. Randall Kerveny, expert of weather and climate extremes for WMO, said, "These are extraordinary records from single lightning flash events." He said environmental extremes are living measurements of the power of nature, as well as scientific progress in being able to make such assessments. He explained it's likely that even greater extremes still exist and that we will be able to observe them as lightning detection technology improves. WMO Secretary General Professor Pateri Tallis said, "Lightning is a major hazard that claims many lives every year. The findings highlight important public lightning safety concerns for electrified clouds where flashes can travel extremely large distances." Noting lightning, specialist and committee member Ron Hall noted these extremely large and long duration lightning events were not isolated but happened during active thunderstorms, and it comes as scientists have linked global warming with increased lightning strikes. In their paper published in Geophysical Research Letters, they found that the number of strikes recorded during the summer months between 2010 and 2020 had skyrocketed from about 18,000 strikes at the start of the decade to more than 150,000 by 220. That's almost 10 times more. Now, this proved that the study by researchers in 2014, who said that on 1 degree Celsius increase in temperatures would increase the frequency of lightning strikes by 12%. And the report lead author David Rom said, to make lightning, a cloud needs to generate an electric field, which it does using water. The more water a cloud processes, the more lightning we should expect. And the more energy available to a cloud, the faster it rises and longer it can keep water drops and ice particles suspended. So again, the more lightning we should see. Scientists also warn of increased natural disasters in 2022 as a climate change in bringing scientists' worst-case doomsday scenarios to life. Kai Komhuber, climate scientist at Columbia University, told Axios that scientists have tried to and failed to predict the severity of disasters due to climate change. He said it seems as if models do underestimate those extremes, and particularly these scenarios are really hard to predict and also to prepare for. So that's amazing. More of such lightning strikes in the future. This is by Anthony Ashkenazi Express, UK. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box